Alright, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be opening up the cutouts for this car, as you already know by the title. Sorry about the wind. I don't know why the hell it's hella windy right now, but I guess it is what it is. But yeah, so I got the package right there. It's secured, it's bagged. So without further ado, let's open this up. And also, I will be making a different video on all like the rumors or facts about the new Camaros and like if they're being terminated or whatever. So that's another video. I gotta hop on the trend. But yeah, so now let's get right into it, because that's what you guys came here for. Alright guys, don't worry about all of this stuff, but this is what all you guys have been waiting for. Not gonna lie, the packaging is pretty like messed up. Like, I'm kind of scared. Hopefully nothing happens to this. Hopefully nothing happened. But yeah, let's open this up. And bro, I'm excited because this is going to scream with these on. So let's open this bitch up. Alright boys, I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's whatever. Bro, this looks like it came from China or some shit, which I am pretty sure it probably did. I'm just kidding. Honestly, I don't know. Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright. I'm gonna open the first one up, and then I'll do the second one, but it will be the same thing. So it really shouldn't matter. But yeah, okay. Ooh, yes sir. Alright boys. Hey, the packaging is pretty nice. That's a record right here. Pretty nice, whatever. And then, sorry, I was just checking up on the frame of the video. But this is what you guys have been waiting for. Let me check out the frame. The frame's not looking too saucy. Alright, bet. Alright, so here it goes. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is it, boys. This is it. The cutouts. Oh bro. The packaging is pretty nice, not gonna lie. Oh my. Bro, this is heavy. I mean, it's not heavy as like the pipes or whatever, but this joint, it got some weight to it. There you go, boys. You can see it. You can see it close, and once this is open, you already know. Let me check up on the frame. Yep. Alright, we're good. But once this opens, you already know, baby. Alright, so the packaging was pretty good, as you guys saw, beside the box being all messed up. But yeah, other than that, you got the motor right here, controlling all the stuff, and that's a plug. And I believe that these just go straight into your cigarette lighter, as you guys can see here. So yeah, not gonna lie, I don't know if you guys can see the inside. Let me try to show it to you guys. But yeah, so that's pretty much how cutouts work. On the Camaros, the exhaust pipe is 2.75 inches. So, like, I don't know why GM decided to do this. Like, they couldn't make it 2.5, they couldn't make it 3. So 2.75, and these are 3 inches. So I gotta get the outside of it rolled so it matches. I mean, not really matches, so it fits the exhaust on the car right now. And then, yeah, pretty much after that, since it's a bigger tip and it's just pretty much straight pipe, this is gonna be loud, bro. Let me check on the frame. Yes sir. Alright, but yeah, so now let's open up the second one and let's see what we get. Ooh. Oh shit, what the... Oh, yo, that's mad nice. Alright, so here you see that, and then I guess this is the control module. You know, the power goes in here, and these are the two cutouts. One for this, and the other one that's inside the box. And then this is where all the fun begins. Not gonna lie, the quality for how cheap this was actually is great. Like the controller is pretty nice, not gonna lie. And you can just fit this to your keychain, and then when you're, you know, in the car, just press it, boom, the bitch opens. And honestly, this is pretty saucy. Let me just unclip it. So yeah, that is a module. You got the power on that, and then you got the two going out from there. And then that's a control to control it. Like, honestly, it got some weight to it, so it's not like cheap. So and the clicks are pretty nice, not gonna lie. But yeah, and now the second one. Boom. I know it's the same shit, but you know, you gotta make it somewhat exciting. But yeah, here's the second one. Holy shit, bro. These got some weight to it, bro. And the welding on this is actually not that bad. Like, as you guys can see here, it's actually pretty nice. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. And then right there, and right there, as you guys can see. So yeah, and then that's the same thing. That's a motor. Okay, so guys, right now I'm just gonna plug it into the car, plug it into the cigarette lighter really quick, and then we're gonna see what happens. I mean, nothing's gonna happen, but you know what I mean. Okay, these are pretty long. Those two are pretty long, so you should be good. And then that's the cigarette lighter with the power thing right here. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get these hooked up to the car, and then we'll see how, you know, if it opens up great and shit. And then I know this isn't an installation video, I'm just opening it up, you know, going over it. But in the future, you already know I'm gonna install these. That's pretty much why I bought this. So yeah, once you get it all wired up and shit, this goes in right here, right there. And then same with the other one, that goes into the other hole. That's what she said, but yeah. And then let me just untie this. These are pretty long, not gonna lie. And I'm kind of impressed by the quality of the of all the welds. So yeah, and then the side with the power goes into. I mean, it's pretty simple, not gonna lie. But and then just plug that into the car. So let's do that right now. All right, I'm gonna take you guys with me. So yes sir. All right, so I got the thing in my hand. Open this bad boy up. Okay, so that's for the lights that I have in the front of my car. Alright, sorry about the bad frame, but that's for the lights. Unplug that. Just plug that in. I do have to do something to that so I can hook both of them at the same time. And then press the power button and it's on. Let me turn off the radio really quick. Oh yeah, that's in right now. It's lighted up, so I don't know what that means, but yeah. So it's all hooked up. Both of these are hooked up. Here, let me switch this one. Dude, these got some weight, bro, not gonna lie. So it's not like you're buying something cheap. Alright. Oh my god. Holy. And then if you don't want to open it, I mean, if you want to close it, I guess it's A. Dude, the noise it makes is hella satisfying. And then if you want to open it, press B, I guess. But if you just want to open it like part way, just hold A to like where you want to, you know, have it. And then, so let's say it's closed right now, press B, boom. I just want to open it until that it's opened. So yeah, and then if I want to open it up all the way, there it goes. So yeah, that's pretty much this video, me unboxing this, you know, it's gonna sound great, bro. These are going to sound amazing. It's pretty much like an active exhaust system, but for way less. And it's like a straight pipe. I mean, it is a straight pipe, but yeah. Oh, and one more thing with these, I have heard there's a little bit of like gap around here. So what most people do is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I guess from the back, oh yeah, you guys see that? It's like where the light is traveling through. So what most people do, which I think should work, at least it worked for most of them, is they put sealant around the, well, around the thing itself. So once they open it, it's gonna be like fully opened, I guess, and then once you close it, there's not gonna be any light going through, which I think is kind of like, it fixes it, I guess, in my opinion. And yeah, so you won't have any leaks and it will be completely stock. But this car is already loud for being stock, so it doesn't really help. But honestly, you gotta go more loud or it's not it. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna be putting sealant around this whole thing because I'm gonna have to. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that because this opens outward. So I might just put a little bit right here and then some on the back. But yeah, so that's like a common issue with these, especially for the price that I got these. And that's the only thing in my opinion. Honestly, if it leaks a bit, I don't really give a shit about. That's just me. But of course, I am gonna put sealant like I said before, so that should fix it. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be the video of exhaust cutouts installation and pretty much how to fix the problem, I guess, in a way. But yeah, if you guys like this video and if you guys want to see these on the Camaro, alright, drop a like, subscribe, because I'm telling you, you don't want to miss the clips, you don't want to miss any of it. So yeah, subscribe to the channel and have a good day.